going, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's been quite some times, but we are back, and I do apologize for that sincerely, but you know what, it can't be helped. Work, and that's it. As you can see, armor, some boots. You guys know already that I am into cars and firearms. I'm adding a third feature of this channel for more content, but first hit that subscribe button. We are, I think, reaching like 680, and it's my fault. We've been crawling slowly up the ladder to 1,000. Like the video as well, because the like game has always been off. Without further ado, I'm just gonna roll the B shots real quick and get back to you guys. That is right, ladies and gentlemen, we are getting a bike for this channel for bike content. It is a Z125 from Kawasaki. I've put about 1,000 miles, I think, so far. One oil change at 600 miles. Fantastic little bike. There are lawnmowers faster than this bike, but it's fun. Like really fun. It's the Miata of bikes, if you want to call it like that. Very nimble little bike as well. This is my helmet. The brand is Sedici. This is their, I think, Strada 2 model. It comes with a Senna, so you can definitely do your I think 5-way call while you're riding with your buddies, as well as listening to Bluetooth, all those good stuff. One thing that I do like about the helmet is that the visor can actually be swapped out real easily. No need for tool. You just literally just like pull this tab right here on both sides, and they can pop this out and slap on a new one. Without any further ado, let's get on the bike. All right, what is going on, everybody? This is my first ever motherfucking vlog on, well, on any bike, but particularly on the Z125. And goddamn, does it feel good to do a vlog like this. You know, I've been doing those first-person driving video for so long, kind of, and now doing the motovlog, it feels fan-fucking-tastic. Shout out to my boy JH Motor Club. He is also a motovlogger around my area. Real cool guy. Hopefully I get to do some bank videos with him whenever his KLX build is finished. If the audio is a little bit juicy, I do apologize, mostly because I don't know what the hell I'm doing for my first motovlog setup in terms of the helmet, but I think overall it should be fine. I've done like several test footage before. Well, let me tell you guys a little bit about this bike. The bigger brothers of this guy are the Z400, the Z650, I think the Z1000 as well, the Z900 if I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure this is Z900. Well, anyways, I will put the official Z lineup on this bad boy. I'm actually looking to get a bigger bike, not anytime soon, but I think soon enough. I've had this for about a month or two, but the second week of owning this bike, I'm already used to the power. I think a Z650 is what I'm aiming for next. Let me get back to the Z125. It has about 8 horsepower. Torque number, I'm not sure. 0 to 60, don't even worry about it. I've gone it up to 60 fully tucked downhill. It weighs about 200 and That's the Grom Bro right there. It weighs about 230 something dry. If I'm on the Z, then I would literally double the bike's weight, which is kind of funny. That's another reason why I want to trade up. I want to own a bike that I don't double the weight of. The Z125 has a 4-speed gearbox, meaning you're going to be in the 4th gear all the time. Well, 4th and 3rd, mostly 4th on the main road. The Z, if you don't know, is a direct competitor to the Honda Grom, and I've taken the MSF course, and I think I like the Z a little bit better than the Honda Grom because of the seat position and the seat shape. The Grom, it has a little dip on the seat, so my nutsack is kind of pressed up against the gas tank. With the Z, I'm a bit higher up, and of course my ball is not stacked up against the gas tank. The clutch on here, it engages, let's see, it engages towards the end of the travel. Different bikes do have different point of engagement. I've been driving manual car for a while, so learning the manual on a bike is nothing at all for me. The only downside to the Z is the brakes. Now I'm pretty sure the bigger CC Zs like the 650, 900, 1000, etc. have better brakes, but for the 125, oh my goodness, there is no in between at all. If you come to a stale green, you either have to commit to running the yellow or slow the fuck down. If you slow the fuck down, then you better know how to do that progressive braking. If you put too much sauce on the rear brake, you will Tokyo drift towards the red light or the stop sign. Happened to me one time in traffic, my balls literally ascended to heaven. For the mods, I literally only have a Yoshimura exhaust. It is a full system. It cost me about, I think, $450, $500. Right now, I am heading over to Target because tomorrow is my little cousin's birthday. But we just call him our nephew and his sister our niece. That's just how the Asians roll. He likes dinosaurs and Pokemon, and I think Power Rangers as well. This morning I actually bought a toy dinosaur for him. Now I'm just going to Target to get some Pokemon toys. Shortcut or no shortcut? Shortcut. You can swerve and go. You can swerve and go, or not. Yes, sir. I will be right back. Mission is a success. Time to drop off the package and do some more riding. He didn't saw me. Fuck the biker. One thing though that I do like about riding is the biker wave. I don't want to say that's why I wanted to ride a bike, but that's like one of the reasons why. More specs on this bike. It holds, I think, 2 gallons, 80 or 90 some miles per gallon. Costs about $3 for me to fill up, and I fill up when the fuel gauge reach about like 1/4 empty. We got Pikachu, Power Ranger, Sinoceratops. Oh, I'm retarded, bro. Oh no, damn you. I tried to take off on second gear. I didn't go back down to first, and that is how you miss your traffic light. Yay! Can I just get a small strawberry lemonade mixed with the watermelon?
Yes, iced or blended?
Oh, blended, please. That's right, I picked this shit up. and turn it around. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes the video for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I guess I will see you guys in the next one. So stay chilly.